How to share your Snapcode to Facebook directly on Snapchat app. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to share your Snapcode to Facebook directly. So all what you have to do is simple. Just go to Snapchat. Now go to the top corner and click on your avatar, and now it will take you to your profile. All what you have to do is click on your Snapcode. This is my Snapcode. Click on it like this, and now scroll down until you find those options and click on share Snapcode. After you click on your Snapcode, now do this, swipe right and choose Facebook right here. It's very easy, and I hope this video was helpful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end.